Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product service. We're taking a look at the website located at https://www.53.com. This site is the online home for 53, the creators of the popular sketching app, paper, and the digital stylus, pencil. While the company appears to have shifted its focus somewhat, the site still serves as a hub for information related to their past products. Navigating to 53.com directs you to a clean, minimalist webpage. The design aesthetic emphasizes simplicity and a focus on visual appeal, mirroring the design philosophy behind their now classic sketching tools. Although 53 is no longer actively developing paper, the website continues to provide access to support resources for existing users. You'll find FAQs and troubleshooting guides, aiming to help users continue enjoying their paper experience. While new features are unlikely, this commitment to supporting existing users is commendable. The website also offers a glimpse into 53's history and their approach to design and creativity. It highlights the impact paper had on the digital sketching landscape, showcasing its intuitive interface and the natural drawing experience it offered. This legacy remains a testament to 53's innovative contributions to the creative digital space. Furthermore, exploring 53.com gives you a sense of the company's philosophy and values. They championed a user-friendly experience that prioritized creativity and accessibility. This ethos is reflected in the simple, yet elegant design of the website itself. It's worth noting that the site primarily serves as an archive and support portal. You won't find bustling activity or new product announcements. Instead, it stands as a reminder of 53's innovative past and the impact they made on the digital art community. If you were a fan of paper or the pencil stylus, browsing 53.com offers a nostalgic trip down memory lane, showcasing a company that once strived to empower creativity through thoughtful design and intuitive technology. While the future of 53 remains unclear, their website serves as a digital time capsule, preserving their legacy and offering continued support for their dedicated user base.